friends, I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director at Ansa Interiors, and in my design discussion series, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं architect versus interior designer, whom to hire. You know, do you often get confused between architecture and interior design? Worry not. Today, I will tell you about the differences and their similarities. Keep listening. You know, हमारे लिए बहुत common होता है कि हम आर्किटेक्ट्स को और इंटीरियर डिजाइनर्स को आपस में कंफ्यूज कर जाते हैं और वाइस वर्सा. और यू नो, व्हेन समवन डिसाइड्स टू रिसर्च एंड रेज बजट्स टू रेनोवेट देयर होम और डेकोरेट देयर ऑफिसेस, कंफ्यूजन थोड़ी जाहिर सी होती है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि इस सिचुएशन में हम क्लैरिफाई करें कि दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस क्या है, आर्किटेक्चर और इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग के बीच में. So इस मोमेंट में आई थिंक वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज प्रोफेशनलिज्म एंड सेंसिटिविटी. You know, this can actually transform a simple researcher into a client. After all, both interior designers and architects overlap in making your dream come true. And to think, you know, it बहुत अच्छा रहता है कि we can generate excellent business opportunities for each other. So, what they do? Architects डिज़ाइन करते हैं और डिलीवर करते हैं पूरी बिल्डिंग को, और डिज़ाइनर ट्राई करता है कि वो क्रिएट करे एक डिजायर्ड लुक, मूड, फील विद इन द बिल्डिंग. व्हाट इज देयर एक्सपर्टीज? आर्किटेक्ट जो होता है, दे आर ट्रेन्ड, यू नो, टू बिल्ड अ स्ट्रक्चर दैट अबाइड्स बाय सर्टेन कोड्स, रूल्स, मेजरमेंट्स, यू नो, व्हाइल मेकिंग की बिल्डिंग बहुत फंक्शनल है. वेयरएज इंटीरियर डिजाइनर का काम होता है कि वो ध्यान रखता है टू क्रिएट एन अपीलिंग इंटीरियर्स दैट इज वेल सूटेड फॉर इट्स इनहैबिटेंट्स. सो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट क्या होती है जिस पे वो फोकस करते हैं? आर्किटेक्ट जो होता है वो फोकस करता है ऑन मोर टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स लाइक फॉर्म ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, डायरेक्शन, मटेरियल एक्सेट्रा. और जो इंटीरियर डिजाइनर होता है वो फोकस करता है ऑन मोर एस्पेक्ट्स लाइक, यू नो, ह्यूमन की वांट्स क्या है, नीड्स क्या है, फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ स्पेस क्या है, उसके एस्थेटिक्स क्या आने वाले हैं. दोनों में से किसको अप्रोच करना चाहिए, when to approach and whom to approach. This is actually based on your requirement. अगर आपका स्ट्रक्चर रेडी है and you need to decorate the interiors, then you should hire an interior designer. However, if you have an empty plot and you need to construct a building from the scratch, or you need to renovate the structure of the building, then you should hire an architect. Therefore, for a new home, you will need actually both the professionals, one in the beginning and one after the construction is completed. So, जो architectural professional होते हैं और interior designer professional होते हैं, they can and should take care the doubts of a possible client. You know, understand करना कि उसका project कैसा है, specifying कि वो उनको कैसे help कर सकते हैं, in what situation. And you know, is it better to appoint the other specialist to fully meet his objective? For this reason, I think designers and architects must have a list of competent professionals and partners to refer to the client. Like हमारे पास list होनी चाहिए architects की या interior designers की जिनको हम vice versa refer कर सके. You know, इससे क्या होता है कि एक bond बन जाता है trust का. You know, whenever the person you have helped needs to refer a professional in your area, the chances of you know, remembering whom you helped at the first contact are really great. But ये ना थोड़ा सा ऐसे चैलेंजिंग भी होता है प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए जो इस एरिया में होते हैं, एंड लेमैन के लिए क्लैरिफाई करना जिसको थोड़ी सी टेक्निकल नॉलेज कम होती है. सो ऐसे समझते हैं कि जिसको थोड़े लेमैन होते हैं, जिनको डिफरेंस नहीं पता होता आर्किटेक्चर और इंटीरियर का, तो उनके लिए ये क्लैरिफिकेशन प्रोफेशनल्स की ड्यूटी होती है. द आइडियल इज टू यूज सम एग्जाम्पल्स. So I think it is simple to clarify this issue for potential customers and even suggest solutions that lead to a partnership between the two areas. Main difference between an architecture and interiors, you know, बहुत important है to note down that one architect is legally qualified to perform physical transformation in the environment, you know, such as demolition, construction of walls. Therefore, an interior or designer can propose a restructuring of the building, but only an architect can validate it and subsequently carry it out. और इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन प्रोजेक्ट्स में क्या होता है, we follow ergonomic technical standards to create coherent environments according to the acoustics, lights, and the details that even correspond to the temperature. You know, we as interior designers would always think about combining the comfort, well-being, aesthetics. Architecture and interior designing में क्या होता है, it's like art that must work together. It is a part of interior designers project to suggest furniture and item composition, you know, while focusing well-being जो उनके यहाँ रहने वाले हैं and who will live in the environment, how it is reacting with the environment, be it home or workplace. So ये जो professional होते हैं, these professionals can suggest changes in the layout, such as, you know, enlarging or readjusting the locations, you know, adding and removing walls, opening up niches, installing doors and windows, etc. Still, their work is restricted to indoor environments. However, a combination of architecture and interior design is essential when the structural interference of the environment, such as those mentioned, somehow ये बहुत necessary है. It is a need for the professional registered with the Council of Architecture and Urbanism to be responsible for the work. You know, how do interior designers and architects complement each other? We talked थोड़ा बहुत about कि, you know, partnership जो होती है वो बहुत close होनी चाहिए. It can generate advantages to both the professionals. But to see, you know, ऐसे समझते हैं कि एक कस्टमर को जो होता है, ultimately he should be served. The first step is to capture exactly customers' आपकी needs and expectations. So when heading a home remodeling project, an interior designer needs to check initially if there will be a need to hire an architect to make any structural changes. Likewise, an architect who has the design of a new residence in hand, who is building it from the scratch, can team up with an interior designer to define decoration, furniture, ornaments and other elements to the project. So that, you know, deliverables जो होते हैं वो ऐसे होते हैं जो customer के beyond expectations जाएं. The ideal is that both professionals already have partners to ensure the completion of the project all together. They are managing to attract and serve more customers in a satisfactory way. उससे क्या होता है, इस पार्टनरशिप से क्या होता है, it is same as with while it is designing a home or an office. In fact, in the time of crisis, joining an architectural firm with interior designing firm can be an excellent way to reduce the cost in the company, you know, increase the client's portfolio and also deliver projects which have more quality, more agility. So architect and interior designer is like one network. तो ऐसा करते हैं कि to create a good reputation in the market, it is very important for the architect not to dismiss a client who has approached him who really needs an interior designer or an architect. In the same way, interior designer must act as a reverse in the situation. अगर उनके पास कोई architecture का project आता है तो they can join with an architect to give a solution. So do you need an architect or an interior designer? I'm sure after listening to this post, you would now be clear that whom do you really need for your project. However, whether you need an interior or architecture, you can always knock at one door and get your project done with references or with joining hands. Both professionals are linked and they can always refer you to an expert. For any kind of interior or architectural design consultancy, you can contact us at www.ansainteriors.com. Don't forget to ring the bell button in case you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next Wednesday. Bye.